To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
Is where the BCCI seems to have drawn the red line. We are talking about the upcoming Asia Cup is concerned, because it seems that the cricket tournament has plunged into further doubt and chaos when it comes to a meeting that BCCI has now been demanding that it shifts from Dhaka, and this is on the inside scoop that we are picking up, where India seems to be firm on the Asia Cup venue demand, but this seems to be a tussle over the Asia Cup meet that the BCCI and the PCB have been happening. So let's get a word from Karishma now. No Asia Cup if Dhaka meeting is held. What is being said that the BCCI through sources has made it absolutely clear?
Well, it's absolutely, Amita. This is the big breaking that we're getting at this moment, that there will be no Asia Cup if the 24th July meeting of the Asian Cricket Council isn't moved from Dhaka. BCCI has made it very, very clear that they are not going to travel to Dhaka given the diplomatic situation between India and Bangladesh. In fact, the BCCI has gone further and said that Mohsin Naqvi, the ACC chairman, who by the way is yet not ratified, it is in this meeting that his powers as the ACC chairman will be ratified, went ahead and tried to gain sympathy with Bangladesh by making the meeting happen there. But India has the support from Sri Lanka, Oman and Afghanistan. So if Mohsin Naqvi was to try and assert undue unnecessary pressure on India, any resolution passed in this meeting will be null and void, because 3 boards including India will move against it, and then it will not stand. So if there is any conversation that needs to happen around Asia Cup, then Mohsin Naqvi needs to move the meeting from Dhaka, because India is not traveling to Dhaka, nor is India willing to attend this particular meeting virtually. So it is now in Mohsin Naqvi's court. Mohsin Naqvi in fact has been reached out to personally by BCCI officials, but he hasn't responded to any messages of changing the venue of the meet as well. So India is standing firm. If you want Asia Cup or any conversation surrounding Asia Cup, first change the venue of the meeting.
But has there been other countries also that have been backing India's stand as far as seeking for a shift in the meeting venue is concerned, Karishma?
Well, yes, absolutely, Amita. Like I said, Sri Lanka and Oman are in complete support of India, and whatever decision India takes, whatever stand India has, it is going to stand by India. In fact, sources have confirmed to us that UAE Cricket Board, which has got so much cricket from India, is internally supporting Pakistan. So if Asia Cup were to happen and the meeting venue was changed from Dhaka, then if not UAE, Sri Lanka could be another option as far as hosting Asia Cup is concerned. But at the moment, yes, there is support for India from other boards as well, Sri Lanka, Oman and Afghanistan being in full support of India and whatever India decides, and will boycott any decision if the 24th meeting goes ahead as per Mohsin Naqvi.
All right. Thank you very much, Karishma, for joining in. Well, it seems that the BCCI has drawn the red line, changed the venue or face boycott through sources, what we are learning. With that, we are into a short break. This is what we are learning. With that, we are into a short break.